12 makeup brushes you actually need and exactly how to use them unless you're a trained makeup artist or have watched more than a few YouTube beauty tutorials in your spare time. Makeup brushes can be a bit tricky to decode. Not only do they come in a wide range of sizes, but also different bristle shapes, lengths, and density. And it doesn't stop there. Oftentimes brands don't name their brushes by how and where they were intended to be used, but rather with seemingly arbitrary numbers that only add to the confusion. Of course, who cares what brush is used as long as you reach your desired effect? But if you need a little direction and help sorting out your set, read on. 1 foundation brush. Use it to smooth liquid or cream foundation for streak-free application. Start in the middle of your face and blend the product outward to prevent harsh makeup lines around the edge of your face. Alternate use. Pat on under eye concealer. Ulta foundation brush, $18 beauty blender. The trick to using one of these most effectively is to squeeze it a few times under water first. After the sponge has absorbed a bit of water and expanded slightly in size, roll off the excess on a towel. This wetting process will not only prevent your sponge from soaking up all of your foundation because it's already full of water, but will also help blend your makeup as smoothly as possible. Use the sponge's broad side to apply the product on your face. Use the tip to reach creases around the nose and to pinpoint small areas. Alternate uses. Apply cream blush, blend out harsh makeup lines, apply powder for baking your makeup, and remove excess product. The original beauty blender, $20. 3 Kabuki brush. This big brush is perfect for softly applying bronzers and powders, and for evenly distributing product across your face or body. Alternate use. Buff out harsh lines by swirling the brush around your face. Berry Minerals full coverage Kabuki brush, $28. 4 Powder brush. The long, fluffy bristles evenly diffuse loose powders. Alternate use. Sweep blush from the apples of your cheeks along your cheekbones. Real Techniques brush crush 300 powder brush, $13. 5 Angled blush brush. The slanted bristles make it easier to apply products perfectly to your cheekbones. Alternate use. Apply contour powder to shades darker than your skin tone below your cheekbones to emphasize your natural contours. Sephora Collection Classic Must-Have Angled Blush Brush No. 50, $14. 6 Concealer brush. Use a small, synthetic brush to pinpoint specific areas that need extra coverage, like small spots and blemishes. Alternate use. Clean up messy lipstick edges. Kat Von Delicate Edge Concealer Brush, $24. 7 All-Over Eyeshadow Brush. Use an eyeshadow brush to evenly apply powder and cream shadows. Alternate use. Dab on shadow under the lower lash line for a smokier eye. Fenty Beauty by Ariana Galaxy 2-Way Eyeshadow Brush, $24. 8 Blending Eyeshadow Brush. Use the fluffy bristles to diffuse eyeshadow in the crease of your eye, or use it to blend multiple shades of eyeshadow together. Alternate use. Blend highlighter on your cheekbones, brow bones, and Cupid's bow. Self Cosmetics Crease Brush, $3. 9 Smudger Brush. Use this to soften eyeliner for a smoky, sultry look. Alternate use. Target areas around the eye, such as the inner and outer corners, when applying intense pigment. Morphe 508 Smudger Brush, $4. 10 Angled Eyeliner Brush. This brush easily lines lashes with cream or gel liner or shadow. Alternate use. Fill in and define sparse brows with brow powder. Essence Precise Eyeliner Brush, $2. 11 Lash Brow Comb Brush. Use this duo to comb, tame, and declump your lashes and brows. Alternate use. Run the brush or comb through your brows to soften them if you've filled them in with too much product. Revlon Lash and Brow Definer, $5. 12 Fan Brush. Use this to clean up fallen product or gently apply powders and highlighters on your cheekbones, temples, and Cupid's bow. Alternate uses. Dip the ends in mascara and paint your lashes for a no makeup look. Hide eyelash glue with gel liner, and declump eyelashes. ID brushes for Ulta Airbrush Radiant Fan Brush No. 116, $18. Pin this image to save it for later.